Claim it was an object that was structural.
No, that's not what I was trying to do.
I know.
I'm trying to get as many viewers as I can.
Well, I think that this stuff.
Okay, 423. Okay. Hang on to this. Second. That's going Charlie's SB. Okay. Come after that, John, and I'll get the soil sample. There's the after. Okay. Man, it's hard under there, you know it? Yeah, that's why that's why the rake wouldn't go down. What? Oh, not going anywhere. Hit it again. Tony, there must be a big rock right under here. Yeah, just, I can't get the rake in, but that's just oh, look at that, Charlie. I know, it's all white under there, isn't it? Okay, Tony, down about, a centimeter or less, it's all white. Okay, you feel like that's a rock surface? I think it might be a rock surface, and we're just in, it's one of those friable ones, the fractured ones, and we're just chipping off. Here, John, I can get a soil sample from where you kicked it up with your foot. No. Boy.
Tell me, Flight.
Go ahead, Fly.
How you doing here?
Okay, good.
Oh, we're looking real good, Fly.
Can you want to know?
You're still looking at least 7 hours capability?
Yeah, I believe so. Pretty close to it.
Hey, Houston, that soil sample's going back. Yeah. 388, Tony.
Okay, 388. And we better press on for the big boulder?
Okay, we're headed that way. You get the tongs, John? Yep, we got it. I'll carry the rake. Hey, Tony, my guess is that most of these rocks around here are extremely shocked.
Like,
Go ahead.
yeah, it looks like the battery's still the
All these in this area look the same.
Okay, and that's a 735.
This thing's not. Yeah, in the sunlight, Houston, this white rock has sort of a greenish hue to it. This white rock red, which is what all this is we're walking on right now, is this white rock breccia that Charlie tipped out of.
Maybe a little bit higher.
Charlie tipped out of.
That just use a little more water, right?
Yeah, use a little more water.
And I guess this is probably the second layer up. I would reckon that this, if we could see to the bottom, we could say for sure if this big black rock is right out of the bottom. But my guess from the old photographs is it probably is.
Okay, that sounds like a good guess.
Look, see this rock right here, Charlie? Look at the size of that rock.
We can see.
The closer I get to it, the bigger it is.
We can see.
The closer I get to it, the bigger it is. Yeah, but look at the permanent shattered part, Charlie. On this side over here? Yeah. No, yeah. Right here on this one. See that shadow? That must be permanent. No, I bet you it's not. The sun's going down over there, John. Yeah, you're right. See? You come back here in 2 weeks and it'd be dark. Well, maybe a week and you'd have sun over there. Okay, Tony, this is a very blocky area here. And look at those. Look at the shape of that rascal. Yeah. We don't see any glass, though, particularly. No, I guess I'd have to call this a black matrix. It's like the matrix has reversed itself now. It's all black matrix. Well, Tony, that's your house rock right there.
Very good.
Don't get too near the edge of that thing. It falls off. Look over at your right. It falls off pretty good. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna just take a little stereo here. Okay, now we had to come down a pretty good slope to get to this rock, so we may have to leave early to get back.
Yeah, right. We've got about 17 minutes before you'll have to drive off, so we'll have to hustle with it.
Hey, John, here's a, looky here. Can we whack with see, look at that. See, it's glass coated, and this is just fractured off. We can pull that off. Big chunks of that will come right off. And it's got a bluish tint to it, doesn't it? It doesn't look like really the real basalt. Look at that shatter cone right there, Charlie. I'll be darned. It is, yeah. Sure. Right there.
Outstanding.
Yeah. Put your tongs up there, and I get a... And
Take a good picture of that one from Mulberger.
Well, that settles that, huh? Hey, move it down a little bit. That settles that, doesn't it, Houston? That settles that, doesn't it, Houston? Okay, got it.
Flight surgeon, both crew are working.
Okay, here's the chunk of it. The black rock looks, some of it's glass coated, Tony. And man, that is a shatter cone. Darling, let's get a piece. Okay, here you go. I got a piece. Okay. Give me a bag. Okay, on the next one, how about stepping back? And as I point to it, I'll pull off another piece, and we'll put a couple of pieces in here. Okay. Okay, that's going in bag 389. Wait a minute, let me hold it up. Okay, let's just take a picture of that, and so they'll know where it came from.
Okay, we copy 389.
It's pretty badly shattered, Tony, so I don't know whether it's going to stay together. And I don't know whether it's going to stay together or not. Get it, Charlie. I'll get the picture. It really is. That's right near the shatter cone. Yeah. I might suspect as much. I don't worry about that. Okay, that's 4 little samples. Back and I'll get it after. Okay. Okay, 5 samples in 389, Tony.
Okay, 389.
That's black. There's a vein. Look at that veinlet running through, right there, John, of a breccia. And it's a big rock. Wow. Okay, John, here's this white stuff. Here's a rock, John, that is not a breccia. Yeah. And it's the clast and it's black rock. It's the clast and the black rock. Look at here. How about that? Let me put that in your bag. Okay. Put it back where you got it for a second, and let me get a picture of it. Now they can fit it in. No, just move away. They can fit it in. Okay. Is that how it was, more or less? Yeah, more or less. Okay. Now get it. Get an after. Yeah, that has the clast of that rock in it too. Yeah, that's I wish we could partially stick that in a bag. Partially stick it in your bag. Oh, okay. I mean, one of these, because it might break up. Oh. Okay, that's 424. No, it ain't gonna break up. It ain't gonna. Okay. Okay, Tony, that's in unbagged, and it's grapefruit size. And it was the white matrix. It's not as Nelly shocked, and it's a large clast, about a 3-meter clast out of this big black rock. Part of it. 3 meters? No, this class is about 3 meters. 4 meters, sure. Huh? Well, it goes from here all the way up to there. Oh, that's the one you're talking about. Yeah. Did you get a stereo of that? Did you get a flight line of that? Yeah, uh-huh. Okay. Did you get a stereo of that? Did you get a flight line of that? Yeah, uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Well, I got a pan of it. Okay, John, I'm going to whack off another. Did you get a picture of this? Where the hammer is? Let me get some of the unshocked white stuff. Wait a second. No. Okay. Got it? Yeah. Hard, isn't it? Yeah, it's hard, but I'm gonna get a piece of it. I got it, Charlie. Okay, here's a good piece right up here. There you go. Okay, I got it. Okay, Tony, of the white class with it's not nearly as shocked is going in 425. Wait a minute, here's.
Okay, bag 425.
Okay, here's another piece right there, John. Okay. And here's another big piece right over here.
Did y'all see a permanently shadowed sample around there?
No, we don't. No, sure don't.
Okay, our best guess is it should be on the south side if there's any.
Yeah, we were over on the south side and we didn't see any.
Okay, fine.
The hole, unfortunately, is a
Yeah, just
sort of
for
a...
information, we checked with Madrid, and Madrid can understand.
That's sort of an east-west split there, Charlie. I know it is an east-west split.
That's pretty good.
Tony, we got an east-west split here that we can get the rake in.
Why don't you go ahead and take some soil out of that?
Here, John. Okay, put that in mind. How's our time going?
You're going to have to leave after this sample.
Okay, I was going to say it's probably a long hike back up that hill. In there or not, Charlie? Huh? Yeah, I can get in here. Right up next to this rock right here will be a good place. I got it. Get the bag square. Okay. In a minute, I'll give you a little bit more. It's not a classic east-west split, Houston, but it's one.
Okay, fine.
It's not a classic east-west split, Houston, but it's one.
Okay, fine.
Bag 390.
Okay, bag 390, and we need a reference soil.
We'll be calling for a second. Okay. I'll go down there 5 meters. I'm not. Here you go. Okay. Here you go. Okay. I guess you ought to stick the tongs in. We ought to document this. Okay. I'll just get a part. We'll do a partial and I'll do a cross sign on it. I'm going to do a reference sample. Let's get that that's right there. Okay. The tongs is not going to go in this ground, Charlie. I know it's a big rock then. Why don't you just hold it there and I'll take the picture. Okay? Okay. Click. Click. Okay.
Experience
I
one.
can kick up some, John.
Go ahead. Okay, we're going to do the padded bag sample with the rover. And then
Got it? You got it? Okay, Tony, the soil here is very hard, and the rake really won't go into it, bending the tines like we used to do in training.
Right, understand. If you can see anything around there that's kind of loose and not in an east-west split, kind of scoop some of that up. If you can't, we'll just have to leave it.
There's nothing